5 city dwarfs and their unbreakable bond. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Brightville, lived 5 unique and cheerful dwarfs. Each one was different from the other, but they shared one thing in common: their love for the city and their incredible friendship. Their names were Timmy, a kind-hearted dwarf who loved helping others; Lulu, a clever dwarf with a love for solving puzzles; Bobo, a fun-loving dancer who always had a spring in his step; Pip, the smallest but bravest of them all; and Daisy, the creative one who could turn anything into a masterpiece. Every morning, the 5 friends would meet at the little clock tower in the middle of the city park. Despite their differences, they always found ways to enjoy each other's company. Timmy would help the other dwarfs with their chores. Lulu would teach them fun riddles. Bobo would make everyone laugh with his silly dance moves. Pip would lead them on exciting adventures, and Daisy would make everything brighter with her colorful drawings. One sunny afternoon, a big problem struck the city. The river that ran through Brightville had become blocked by fallen branches and debris, and no one knew what to do. Without the river, the plants and trees in the city park would start to wither, and the animals would go hungry. The 5 dwarfs decided to come together to help. Timmy gathered tools, Lulu planned the perfect way to remove the debris, Bobo kept everyone's spirits high by singing cheerful songs, Pip fearlessly jumped into the river to help clear the branches, and Daisy painted a beautiful sign to remind everyone in the city to keep the river clean. With their teamwork and determination, the river was soon flowing again. The plants perked up, the animals were happy, and the entire city of Brightville cheered for the 5 dwarfs. From that day on, the dwarfs were known as the heroes of Brightville. They proved that, no matter how different they were, their friendship and unity made them stronger together. Moral of the story: true friends celebrate each other's differences and come together to solve any problem. When we work as a team, we can achieve great things.